Hey guys, it's Eric here, and this is a really quick speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Let's take a look at all the relevant specs for this test and start with the boot up test. A7 2018 booted up first in 27 seconds, with the Redmi Note 6 Pro coming in about 5 seconds later. I closed all the running apps before this test. Let's begin with Twitter. Redmi Note 6 Pro opened Twitter faster. Instagram. Redmi Note 6 Pro opened old and new Instagram feed faster. Facebook. A7 2018 opened Facebook faster. Snapchat. A7 2018 opened Snapchat faster. Play Store. A7 2018 opened Play Store faster. YouTube. Redmi Note 6 Pro opened YouTube faster. Geekbench. A7 2018 opened Geekbench faster. We have higher single core score on the A7 2018 and higher multi-core score on the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Antutu benchmarks. A7 2018 opened Antutu slightly faster. Samsung's Exynos 7885 CPU got higher scores than the Snapdragon 636 CPU on the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Skipping the games row for now, Snapseed. A7 2018 opened Snapseed slightly faster. Camera. A7 2018 opened Camera faster. Messages. A7 2018 opened Messages slightly faster. Settings. Redmi Note 6 Pro opened Settings slightly faster. Speed test. A7 2018 opened Speed test faster. I tested both on the same network and the Redmi Note 6 Pro got higher download speeds, while the A7 2018 got higher upload speeds. Jumia app. A7 2018 opened Jumia app faster. Let's go ahead and load up some games now. Smash Hit. A7 2018 opened Smash Hit faster. PUBG. A7 2018 opened PUBG faster. Subway Surf. A7 2018 opened Subway Surf faster. Temple Run 2. Redmi Note 6 Pro opened Temple Run 2 faster. And this concludes our speed test. I didn't test the RAM management on both because not only is the RAM of the Redmi Note 6 Pro unit less than what we have on the A7 2018, but MIUI is also notorious for having really questionable RAM management on Redmi series in my experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram to check out my current giveaway. Please subscribe to support my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.